Hey everybody, we want to share with you something that we've been working on. If you're interested in animation, we think you'll like this one, or flip books. Anyways, stay tuned. Hey art friends, fellow art friends, I should say. It's Nate, and today, Hyrum, we want to share something that Hyrum has been working on with his art. Something that honestly we've all been working on a little bit here at Blue Barn. As a family, we have been working on animations, which has been kind of fun, right?
Yeah.
A fun kind of an art medium to explore with. So we thought we'd have Hyrum share kind of what he's working on. So anyways, it's called Flip a Clip is the program that we use, and we'll show you kind of what it looks like, or at least Hyrum's going to show you what it looks like. So we'll switch to an over the shoulder so you can see exactly what he's been working on. But yeah, that's what we wanted to share with you, and I think it's a fun thing to try, right?
Yeah.
The app is really cheap, so if you already have an iPad, especially one that you can draw on the screen, that works out great. I think you can find that app on other platforms as well. So anyways, let's check it out. All right.
First, click on Flip a Clip. Then you have all these. Well, you might not have these. Then you press plus, choose your name, and you can press that if you want to change your background. I don't think you should change, just keep it on 12
frames per second, right?
And then
that's how many drawings it takes to make 1 second.
Don't change this, it's, yeah.
And then you would click create after you did all those things, right?
Mm-hmm. Very
cool. And then Hyrum's going to show us one of the animations he's been working on.
Oh.
Whoa, it jumped right in, huh?
Okay.
What is it called first? Do you want to tell us?
Shapeshifter.
Shapeshifter?
And I have a lot of the words shapeshifter.
He liked to work with the words. Yeah, so go ahead and show him what your animation looks like.
Black hole! There's a black hole! Black hole!
So when you are making this animation, let's kind of get out of this real quick, and then you can show us when we get into your project kind of how do you do this? How do you make it work?
So you kind of draw, and if you want to write something, you press that, shapes, that, eraser, and that's, yeah.
That was your text, right? And then you were using this mostly to do your drawings?
And then you can press it again to change it.
Okay.
I think.
And so over on this thing, like this is how you can kind of see between the different, what are these called? Do you remember what these are called? Each picture is called a frame. And
then
each frame is like one drawing that he had to do.
When you want to make a new thing, you can press plus and then make a new picture, plus. And 12 frames per second means like you take 12 pictures. If you do 12 of them, then there's a second.
You can see how you're going between these, how he's slowly moving them around. And it's that motion, that movement is what creates something that looks like it's alive. Or like if you've noticed, it looks like a stick figure, right? A person. And it's changing into a dinosaur head. It's super cool.
In the front, it's just a block, and then this guy feels it moving. So it jumps off and turns into a bird. They're technically both shapeshifters. And then this starts turning into the dinosaur head. And I don't know why you have a green dot. And then it turns into it. And then it turns into it. And then this starts coming down, so it transforms into a human and runs. And then a black hole explodes.
Yeah. And what that green is, that's actually, he's got something called onion skinning, or onion skin effect, and it's showing you a little bit of the future, and that's kind of how you can say.
And then the red stuff
is. My next one's right here. I need it to be over here instead.
And then the red is the past of it.
Yeah.
I don't know why I have a green dot right there.
But I love your animation. It's very cool. Be a fun thing to try, right?
And then the bird kind of shrinks right there.
Yeah, that's easier to see when you can see the history of your animation. So cool. Hey Hyrum, thanks for sharing what you worked on.
You're welcome.
That was really cool. I hope you guys are inspired and you are excited to just get out there and try something. You can try animation like we did through an app. You can try it through a flip book, which is just drawing on paper. Lots of times, staple them together and then flip them and share them with your family or friends. But yeah, share your artwork with others. You can feel free to share it with us. We'll put the link on the screen where you can share it with us on Instagram. We'd love to check out your artwork as well, because we love to check out artwork. Yeah, so feel free to share it with us. Anyways, we'll see you guys later. Have a great week in art. Bye.
She's in trouble.
Oh.
She's in trouble.
Ah, she's in trouble.
Her head keeps falling off.
All right. Okay, let's push record. Okay.
Stretching.
All right. Okay.
Okay, then I'll move the camera in just a second. So let's just outro clip, just like the clip after you've done it. So, anyways, we'll just do a clip real quick right now. We'll say, alright.
You just couldn't wait to talk, huh?
I thought you guys were done.
Okay, let's do a quick intro
Can I
clip
just tell
too.
you something?
All right. Little tiny clip.